Welcome, awesome people! Are you curious how to make money from home with online business? Digital marketing and smart tools are opening up endless paths to passive income, whether you're selling digital products or building a service-based business. With the right strategies, you can scale from a small side hustle to a serious income stream, all from your laptop. By utilizing marketing tools, you can automate keyword research, competitor analysis, and campaign management, giving you more time to focus on creative growth. And speaking about tools, GoLogin, the best browser for multi-accounting, is ideal for managing profiles across platforms, making it easier than ever to reach and engage new audiences fast. Data shows that businesses utilizing digital tools see faster growth and better customer loyalty. With flexibility in online business, now is the perfect time to explore digital marketing and leverage technology to drive success, maximize efficiency, and create a reliable income stream from home. Discover the tools that can take you there in the description. And that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and follow, and see you in the next video.